Hi guys, welcome back to Focus Android YouTube channel. So in this video, I will show you how to screen recording on Windows 11 without installing any application. So you just need to using the snipping tools on Windows 11. So you just need to go to the search and find snipping tools, or for the shortcut, you just need to press Shift, Windows and S to open this feature. So now this is the feature, and you just need to go to here to the record. So after this, you need to block which part of screen you want to record. So for example, I will record all the screen, so I just need to drag all the screen to record. So it's not start yet. It's the start button. Here, make sure you need to unmute the microphone, and you just need to click start to start the recording. We are now in recording now, and you can pause the recording and stop recording here. Now the result of the recording will appear here, and you can see it's already recording. And to find the file, you just need to open the file and go to the videos and screen recording. You can see it's the result. So I hope this video is useful, and see you in another video.